How to mount ceiling fans to get maximum efficiency. To mount a ceiling fan for maximum efficiency, you'll want to consider several factors. Here are some tips to help you achieve this. Location and height. Ensure the fan is installed in the center of the room and hung at the optimal height. For standard 8 to 9 foot ceilings, the fan should be hung about 7 to 9 feet above the floor. Taller ceilings may require downrods to maintain this height. Blade pitch. Choose a fan with blades that have a steeper pitch angle for more efficient air circulation. Typically, a pitch of around 12 to 15 degrees is ideal. Fan size. Match the fan size to the room's dimensions. Larger rooms need bigger fans for effective air circulation. Motor type. Look for fans with high quality, energy efficient motors. DC, direct current, motors are often more energy efficient than AC, alternating current, motors. Blade material. Choose fan blades made of lightweight, durable materials. Wooden or composite blades are common choices. Ceiling slope. If your ceiling has a slope, ensure you use a sloped ceiling adapter or fan with an adjustable mounting angle. Balancing. Make sure the fan is balanced to prevent wobbling, which can reduce efficiency and cause noise. Use a balancing kit if necessary. Direction of rotation. In hot weather, set the fan to rotate counterclockwise, downward, to create a cooling breeze. In cold weather, set it to rotate clockwise, upward, to help distribute warm air more evenly. Use energy-efficient bulbs. If your fan has a light fixture, use energy-efficient LED or CFL bulbs to minimize energy consumption. Regular maintenance. Clean the fan blades regularly to prevent dust buildup, which can reduce efficiency. Lubricate the motor as per the manufacturer's instructions. Remote or smart control. Consider using a remote or smart control system to easily adjust the fan's speed and direction according to your needs. Consider blade design. Some fans have specially designed blades for specific purposes, like high-velocity fans for intense airflow or hugger fans for low ceilings. Choose a design that suits your room's requirements. By following these tips, you can maximize the efficiency of your ceiling fan, which will help keep your room comfortable while potentially reducing energy consumption and costs.